Welcome. In front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and today I'll show you how you can change your TV language. You have to grab your control and tap on the settings. Next you have to scroll down with arrows until you find the general settings. Click OK and tap on the right arrow. When you are here you have to simply choose language by tapping on the OK. And here we get the languages. So as you can see, we can change language for many: primary audio, secondary, voice recognition, keyboard languages. And that's also when you want to apply the the TV language, you have to find and choose the main language. So click OK on your remote control, and as you can see here we got all available languages with countries. So you have to decide which you want to get. Of course I will stay with the English. But I can pick other country. So here we got English, but I can change it for Georgia, for example. And as you can see, if you want to change it, you have to confirm by tapping on the OK button on your remote control. So just make it. So click. Now we have to wait a little bit. And as you can see, everything is saved. So right now you can enjoy your new language on your LG TV. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.